a muscle can be named, and that is according to its location in the body. The tibialis anterior muscle is named after its location over the tibia bone of the leg. Muscles can also be named by their position or location in relation to other muscles and structures. For example, muscles can be described as being inferior to a muscle or structure, such as the infrahyoid muscle group. All of these muscles are located inferior to or beneath the hyoid bone. Supra indicates that a muscle is superior or more cranial to another muscle or structure. For example, the supraspinatus muscle. This muscle sits superior to the spine of the scapula compared to its counterpart, the infraspinatus muscle. Muscles can also be described as medialis, intermedius, and lateralis. A great example of these is the vastus muscles, vastus medialis, vastus intermedius, and vastus lateralis. This describes their positioning in relation to the midline. Medialis meaning closer to the midline, intermedius meaning intermediate, and lateralis or lateral meaning to the side or away from the midline.